To sum up our first day of Samoan language class, we learned about pronunciation. That's our foundation. Rule number 1, pronounce everything. There's no silent letters. We don't waste time with the P's and H's together and making them sound like F. We don't do that. Number 2, a, e, I, o, u, fa, nga, la, mo, nu, pisa, ti, vi, he, kero, or karo. Number 3, make sure you observe the taufi or the glottal stops in words such as fa'afetai. And then there's the fa'mamafa or the macron in words like tama. Big difference between tama and tama. Number 4, we're building up on our phrases, beginning with subjects or nouns, so we're learning definitions. You're going to learn them any way you can. I prefer the old school flashcards. You just write your Samoan word, and then you tape them to your noun all over the house. Komiputa. I've seen different spellings of this, but we're going to use komiputa. All right, now here's the thing. When you put it on there, don't just say the word. Identify it Samoan style in the subject phrase format. That's the noun, but we're going to say it in the whole phrase format. Ole komiputa. It is the computer. We use this O whenever we identify something. It's our noun present tense marker. Le is equivalent to the, and then of course there's our noun. We can say ose komiputa. It is a computer. We could say it is my computer. O la'u komiputa. If there's no limiter in front of the noun, then it makes it plural. Computers. It's the computers. We'll get into some other concepts in class. It's never too late to join.